What is up, YouTube? Back for another video on the 68 Fastback Prostreet. This might be an exciting video for some of you guys. She is for sale. All right, guys, so this is my 68 Fastback Mustang Prostreet 460 big block. For anyone that has followed my channel, followed the build, I've had this thing for almost 9 years. I have done a ton of work to it, a ton of maintenance, and now I'm finally trying to move on to another classic Mustang. So I'm not getting out of the Mustang game. I still have the Cobra, we still have the Raptor, we have the bike. So I am looking to sell this one and get something new for the channel. So this is my 68. She is for sale. I'm asking $58,000 for her, located in New Jersey, but willing to negotiate if you guys are reasonable and genuinely interested. So we'll do a quick overview of the car so that it can be referenced and you can ask any questions, comments, and alleviate any concerns. So we'll start here in the front. We have a 460 big block. Since I've had it, I've only put a couple hundred miles on this car total. It is a car show cruiser. I would take it a few miles to a car show and it would come back. And that's it. I have not stripped it. I didn't abuse it. I would just putz around in it, take it to shows, won a shit ton of trophies, and had a lot of fun with the car. So we got a 460 big block with some Ford Racing big valve covers on there. It's got a giant hydraulic cam on it for anyone that follows the channel and has heard this thing. It has a nasty, nasty cam that sounds absolutely awesome. We have a weiand intake manifold. It has a Holley 750 double pumper electric choke carburetor that was just professionally rebuilt from Bowen. So that is brand new, has 30 to 40 miles on it or so. We have a new air cleaner and air filter. Fuel filter changed every year. Since I've had it then, I replaced it with a new MSD ignition box, new MSD coil, whole new distributor, new spark plugs, new wires, thermostat housing, gutted thermostat, upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, and added an overflow tank as well, and a bunch of maintenance. Obviously, it's running AMS oil, hot rod, the zinc additive oil right now with an AMS oil Signature Series filter. That was just changed a few months ago as well. We've changed out the brake fluid. We've changed out the transmission fluid, painted the block. It does have a switch for the electric fan here. All of this is new as well that I had done a year or two ago. All the videos, again, everything is going to be up on my channel for anyone that's following. It's all on the playlist. So all this trim is new. The molding's new, the grill, the corral, the surround, the pony. This whole front end, it's all brand new in perfect, nice, shiny shape. Headlights work, turn signals work. Added the bumper guards, the custom chin spoiler. The bump stops here, these are all new. Then we got our skinnies up front with plenty of tread on them, as you can see there. Swapped out the side mirror. And then we have our brand new Mickey Thompsons, again, 30 to 40 miles on there. Those tires alone, the two of them, are over $1,200 to get mounted. So they have 40 miles on them. They are brand new Mickey Thompson tub tires, about between 18 to 18 and a half inches wide. While we're under here, you can see here is the ladder bar, 4-link suspension with a brand new rear that was just installed right there. So from Speedway Motors, got a brand new 9-inch third member rear with 327 gears, because it does have a C6 automatic transmission with the 9-inch rear. Brand new limited slip posi traction differential. That was all swapped. The whole third member is new. Brand new shortened drive shaft, professionally rebalanced as well, with new custom tubes made, because when I had bought it, they were actually a little crooked. So fabricated brand new tubes, fabricated new mounts for the coilovers there. It's a 4-link ladder bar suspension on coilovers, fully adjustable with a lot of travel left to be customized however the new owner likes it. All of the brakes were done within the last couple hundred miles. You can see underneath here, no rust, very clean. Stainless steel exhaust, thrush mufflers to the long tube headers right there. Torque boxes and everything is all rust free and clean. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's got a Holley electric fuel pump that is newer as well. Fuel cell in the trunk. Nice custom blue paint with the silver C stripe. Rear markers are shaved. Fender holes are all shaved. We've got the molded in teardrop on the hood on a GT style hood with the new letters right there that were replaced as well. So it's just fully custom car, really beautiful, awesome looking color. Everything opens and closes nice. You can see here, doors open super nice. Door panels are in great shape. Have brand new handles to get rid of the little pitting. Have the handles right over there. We'll show you the new door sills that were installed last season. Seats are still in good shape. We have brand new racing seats, which we didn't install yet, which can also come with the car. Here's the whole back. This is all the metal work for the tubs. Looks really aggressive. They did a nice job with it. Super cool looking, super unique. Here's our B&M carbon fiber Pro Stick Shifter. A lot of fun to use. We have a newer GT steering wheel and horn assembly. The horn does work. We have brand new dash panels. All of the gauges work. You have your coolant temp, your oil pressure, the tachometer, the shift light works. You can set the RPM right there. The speedometer cable was replaced. The speedo works. The odometer works. The lights work. All of this was replaced as well. The turn signals work. Both windows work well. You have the radio delete panel right there as well. Headliner is in nice shape, as you can see. Visors, added the rear view mirror. So everything just in nice shape here. Door close is good. Make our way to the rear of the car. This was all recently replaced by me as well. You have all this trim and molding is new. I have brand new trunk letters. Taillights are all new and look awesome because it is the best part of the 67, 68, let's be honest. So brand new taillight lenses, brand new bulbs, the bezels, the gaskets, all of that is new. We just added the license plate light. That is new and functional now as well. Nice stainless tips for the stainless steel exhaust that was done. The reverse lights work and they're all new as well. The housing, the lenses, the bulbs, the wiring harness, all that is completely fresh. The bumper, as you can see, is in great shape. So the rear end of this thing just looks awesome. Here's another nice shot of the new tires and the stance. Here's the rear. You can see the coilovers, the electric fuel pump, ladder bars again, and the whole nice rear. All the finest parts. We're put a lot of TLC into this car. Show you the passenger side. New door sill, panels in nice shape. The belt line moldings I had replaced as well. You can see the metal work. Everything you can see is in really nice shape. There's no rust or rot. Just a really solid driver car, awesome cruise night car show car. You can just have a lot of fun. It sounds badass. It shakes because of the cam, looks gnarly, sounds gnarly, turns heads like you wouldn't believe, wins a whole bunch of trophies, but it's very streetable and a lot of fun. So it's that perfect blend. You can see that. Have new sway bar end links, new sway bar bushings, the long tubes right there. Everything in good shape. Rust free for the most part. A little bit of surface here and there, but everything's in really nice shape. So be sure to check out all my other videos if you have any questions or concerns about any of the things that I've done to it over the last 9 years. There's a whole playlist dedicated to my 68 Mustang Fastback that has a lot of the upgrades, the maintenance and modifications that I've done to this vehicle. So you can see all the documentation and the time throughout. So I'm sure there is a bunch of things that I'm forgetting about this car. I'm sure there's so much that I'm forgetting that I have done to it. But in a nutshell, this is it. Again, it is for sale in New Jersey. I'm asking $58,000. If you are interested or wanting to work a deal out, be sure to try to hit me up and let me know. I do have a lot of new parts that I will include with the new buyer if they are interested. You have the brand new racing seats here. Really give it that Pro Street look, or you can keep the classics. Have new trunk letters just so that they're perfectly straight and chrome. We have those new handles that I referenced. These are the cowl covers that I put on. Have new plugs even for the floor pan when you replace the seats so that you don't have to use the old starting to dry ones. Some more moldings and trim pieces here. We have new trunk seal. We have new window seals for the doors. Just a whole bunch of parts. And I'm sure that I have even more down in the basement. So just drop any questions or comments below. If you know anyone that might be interested in this 68 Fastback, please send them my way. And I would appreciate it. Check out my other videos of this car, and you definitely will not be disappointed. So 460 big block, cammed, board 40 over, nice 750 double pumper, C6 trans, Ford 9-inch rear. A lot of it's worked, a lot of it's new, very street friendly, awesome car show car, very custom, beautiful looking paint and color. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know if you're interested.